Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, today I'm going on a Rae Dunn hunt. I'm over here in my mom's area. I'm going to see my mom for a little while, and then I'm going to hit all the stores, and she has several in the area, so I always get really excited when I come over here because they always have a ton of Rae Dunn in the stores. So this is going to be my first stop for today. We're going to hit Marshall's, and let's see what I can find today.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a
Well, I'm over here at Marshall's. This is stop number 3. So let's go inside and see what I can find. I am really excited because a lot of these stores over here, they have a lot of Rae Dunn. So I'm super excited. I always have really good luck coming over here. This is where my mom lives in the area in Pinellas County. So let's see what they have. Well guys, this is stop number 4, so I'm going into this TJ Maxx and let's see what Rae Dunn I can find. Well guys, I am on stop number 5. I'm over here at TJ Maxx, so we're gonna go in here, and actually I thought I only had one more stop to make, but I have one more store. We're gonna hit a Home Goods. So let's go inside this TJ Maxx and see what I can find. I'm over here at Home Goods over in Seminole. This is stop number 6 and I'm ready to walk inside and hopefully they have some really good Rae Dunn for my last stop here. Well, as you can tell from the video, there's a lot of Rae Dunn on the shelves in my mom's area. Now, where I live in Hillsborough County, there is nothing going on in the stores here. So I get excited when I head over there because I know I'm going to find a ton of stuff. So yesterday I went out to Hobby Lobby and they had 40% off their fall because there was something in the store that I definitely wanted to get. And they have a Marshall's, and then on the way back there was another Marshall's. Stopped in there to see if there would be any Rae Dunn, and again, nothing in the stores whatsoever. So I thought I'd share with you what I got from Hobby Lobby, and they had, like I said, 40% off their fall items. So I picked up these flameless candles here. Now this says it's ginger spiced muffin. This is a LED candle. Now it smells really good. So I don't know, maybe once you take the packaging off and maybe when you turn them on, you'll be able to smell them. Never had these before. These are $12.99 and with the 40% off, they cost around $8. Now I was thinking, since they have the browns, dark chocolate, and cream color, that I could use them back here in my lanterns for fall. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up some greenery because out in my living room, I needed to get rid of a couple little Easter stuff that was still sitting there. There was a little bunny and some green eggs. So I thought I would pick up this greenery. This came from Hobby Lobby, this here, and you get a lot of it, and I've already used some off of it. I already cut some off. Now this is priced $19.99, but they had it 50% off, so this only cost me $10. So I have a lot of this left over that I can use for other displays. So I have this, and then there's a couple more items that I got, something I got from TJ Maxx that is out in my living room, and then something that's out in the dining room. So I'm gonna take you out there and show you how I displayed my items. Well, here's a look at the items that I purchased and how I displayed them. Now this is the greenery that came from Hobby Lobby at 40% off. I just snipped a little bit of the greenery off and laid it in the tray. And then that M, that is really heavy. It's wood, and that cost me $5.99, so I thought that was a really good deal. And then the little owl in the back, that came from Hobby Lobby. That was in the fall section at 40% off, and I think the regular price was $11.99. And what I like about that is I can put a little tea light in the back at night and it lights up and it looks really cute all lit up at night. And then I went ahead and kept my stack books over here that is Rae Dunn, and I used this little candle holder here with my LED lighting, and I think this came out really nice. So let's go take a look over in the dining room and see what else I've purchased. Well, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen some of my videos, I recently just redid this dining room here. This is painted dining room table, and I also painted the hutch here, and then I used the drop cloth curtains. So if you want to check out that video, I'll have that linked down below. And then over here, this is something new that I added from Hobby Lobby. I was waiting for these to go on sale, and they finally went 40%. I absolutely love these tan buffalo check pillows. They are adorable with this little pumpkin that's in the sweater material, and it says grateful. And I picked up 2 of them. So I could have 1 on each chair, and with the 40% off, they cost me around $16. Well, I want to share with you guys before I end this video some upcoming videos and things I'll be working on. Now, I'm real excited about this because for 23 years, I've lived with the builder's grade laminate that they put in my house, and now I am finally going to get granite. I'm so excited because yesterday after Hobby Lobby, we went to this factory outlet that carries granite and quartz and looked around because my girlfriend had her kitchen done about a year ago. So I thought, well, let's go back there and check out their prices. And then I did a little research at Home Depot and Lowe's, and they're way overpriced compared to this outlet store. So we went over there and we were just going to do the bathrooms, and then I said, come on, let me show them some pictures of our kitchen and let's see how many square feet we might have in the kitchen. So came back, told them what the price would be, or a ballpark, because it just depends on the square footage, the granite that you pick out and the price point for that square footage on that granite. So I was thinking, you know what, we could probably do this for this price. And he's like, you know what, come on, let's go in and look. And I was like, oh yes. So now he's getting excited. So the good news is I've already paid for the 2 bathrooms, and we're going to go back, I think on Friday, we're going to go back and we're going to pick out the granite that we want for the kitchen. So I'm really excited about that. And then of course, I'm going to do a video, me being in the store, picking out the granite, the process, and then you'll finally see the reveal of that. So I'm real excited about that because I got a lot of things, because listen, once you start one project, then you know what? I may end up painting the bathroom cabinets a different color because of the granite. I might even do my whole kitchen, repaint that, depending on what the granite we pick out and what it looks like once it gets installed. So there is so much stuff that I could potentially be doing here real soon. So until next time, happy decorating.